Hi, it's Anna and Lou with WTI.
If you're like us, you want your pet to be comfortable and happy, and this collar by Metric USA has really helped with our dog Lou. So, the one that you saw has a little microchip. So, that is what I added to it, but this is what it looks like when you get it. And poor Lou, his old collar was so irritating on his neck. You can see some of the red marks and it's rubbed all the hair. But this is after wearing the Metric Comfort Fit one for just a few days. Those red marks have all healed and it looks so much better. So I'm really happy with this. It really does look so much more comfortable on his neck. Not only is it thick, but it also has that nice padding. So he is definitely a leash puller. He's so excited when we go outside, but that also causes a lot of pressure on his neck. So I'm happy to have this collar because I feel like it really helps, especially with walks. Super easy to put on. It has a little clasp, the little hook for a leash, and then the collar stays around the bottom of his neck. It's really nice quality. He seems happy with it. I love that his neck is healing up. Beyond thrilled to have this. But that's just our point of view.